So I'm back to one of my favourite places here. I didn't mean to come this far, but I feel pretty good. But now it's time to have a little snack. So I've got a little box of sushi here. From Aldi, of course. Which is not too bad a little snack for a bike ride. There you go. Nice bit of sushi. Nice view. You get your bit of soya sauce, a bit of ginger, your wasabi, and bits and pieces there. Oh, plenty of salt in there. Watched so much sport in my life as the last couple of weeks. Watched quite a lot of the Tour de France, and tonight's the big night for football in Germany against the Argentina final, so I'll be watching that. But because I haven't hardly watched any TV for ages, and I've been watching this stuff on TV, it's amazing how many adverts there are. How many advertisements, when you're not used to getting battered with advertisements every 5-10 minutes. Buy this, buy that, buy this, buy that. It's really a kind of brainwashing if you're not used to it. And people who watch TV all the time, it just seems a bit rum. Everyone working all day, working the guts off, and they get home at night and they're tired out, and they drop down in front of the TV, and then they have 3 hours of brainwashing, people telling them what to spend the money on that they've just earned at work all day. And if you're not used to it, it's quite strange. And I just think of all the people who spend a lot of time watching TV, and there is a lot of people who do, with the super cheap giant LCD screens, and wondering how many hours a day of just advertisements they're watching. And if you add that up over a year or a life, you have people spending a year watching adverts, just non-stop. You need this, you need that, buy this is right, this is wrong, this is good, this is bad. This new scientist formula says this is even better now, even better. And it's such a con, because you have to pay for all that stuff when you buy that advertised gear. You've got to pay for all those adverts. So kind of a catch-22 situation. Just goes round and round and round. like those windmills.